Ang ganda ng Taipei, Taiwan, pero nakapunta ka na ba ng Taichung? First time kong mag-Taichung and yes, kaya siyang i-DIY. By the way, I'm Ian and I share travel tips and recommendations para masulit mo yung bakasyon mo kasi deserve mo yan. If galing ka ng Taipei, you can ride the Taiwan High-Speed Rail from Taipei Main Station and less than 1 hour lang ang biyahe. We booked our tickets via Klook kasi merong promo currently na buy one take one, pero if wala, you can always use naman my promo code para sa tickets and even hotels and activities sa Klook. Pagbaba pa lang ng Taichung Station, ang ganda na agad. Very quiet and slow vibe versus Taipei. Ang dami ding mga artsy displays dito pa lang and ang dami agad naming pictures. Once in Taichung, mostly ang sasakyan nyo ay public transportation like mga local trains and buses. Dito, dapat ready ka na with your Easy Card with enough load para hindi ka na mahassle. First stop namin itong Michelin Bib Gourmand awardee na eatery called Phuket Ting, which is known for their smoked goose. Take note na cash basis lang sila. Pantanggal umay, pumunta agad kami sa original store ng Chun Shui Tang, known as the inventor of the bubble tea. In order namin tong large classic bubble tea and some snacks to go with it. Just a few minutes walk, makikita nyo itong painted animation lane. It's just an alley na painted with famous anime characters, so very nostalgic vibes dito. Since kasama namin yung 2-year-old son namin, we decided to take an Uber going to National Museum of Natural Science. Malaki yung place and maraming makikita, and entrance fee is relatively cheap at just 120 NTD per head. Nung merienda time na, we went to Miyahara for some ice cream, and dito madami kaming nakasabay ng mga Pinoy from a tour. Masarap yung ice cream, pero personally, it's only good to try at least once. And ito na nga yung highlight ng Taichung visit namin, yung Rainbow Village. Very cute and artsy ng place na to, and I thought we'll get bored, pero as you explore the place, ang daming photo-worthy spots na madidiscover. Very iconic din kasi itong Rainbow Village sa Taichung. Unfortunately, malayo-layo na yung Changshu Flower Market, so we actually missed going there. Ang downside kasi ng pagko-commute sa Taichung, minsan matagal yung intervals ng trains and buses, so medyo kain sa oras. So while doable naman na DIY, parang okay din to book na lang a detour sa Klook para all-in na with transpo and sure mapuntahan nyo lahat ng famous attractions in Taichung. Di bale, may discount pa rin naman with my promo code. Yun lang, more travel soon!